Where to sell NFT. Make millions by selling NFT for free. Where to sell NFT for free? This is the most common question on the internet. And well, I have the answer. But before that, I want to know, guys, how many of you create NFT? I'm just curious, so please do let me know in the comments section below. Welcome to CryptoTrends, where, in today's video, you will get to know about the various marketplaces to sell your NFT for free. So, make sure to watch the video till the end, and don't forget to like and share the video. Starting with Openc. Openc is a popular NFT marketplace that is home to projects like BAYC and Azuki. Minting an NFT on Openc is very easy. It supports all kinds of digital assets, from virtual worlds and collectibles to art, photography, and sound recordings. Openc offers Clayton, Polygon, and Ethereum blockchains. It supports more than 150 cryptocurrencies, though, since you buy using Ethereum, expect to pay a higher gas fee. Openc recently launched its own gas-free minting option, though. They charge 2.5% of every transaction on the platform. Openc is arguably the biggest NFT marketplace right now, and it also allows authors and creators to charge up to 10% in royalty fees. Next, we have Rarible. Another excellent marketplace to mint an NFT is on Rarible. Rarible is ideal if you want to sell NFTs focusing on art and photography. It offers support for Ethereum, Flow, and Tezos blockchains. You can sell both single NFTs or full collections on Rarible. Since it supports Tezos, you can save quite a bit on gas fees. With their lazy minting feature, you can create an NFT for free and have the buyer pay gas fees when they purchase it. Rarible also has its own token known as Rari, and as a user, you get to vote on any upgrades that the developers want to introduce. Next is Binance Nft. Binance is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Its NFT marketplace is an excellent option for anyone looking to mint on a future-proof platform. Unlike Openc, Binance charges just 1% per transaction, and it also gives you the option of cashing out your money in fiat currency. If you already own Binance tokens, or BNB, buying and selling on the marketplace gets easier due to native support. Binance Nft requires users to make bids using BNB, BUSD, or ETH. Owing to the sheer size of the marketplace, Binance has been able to enter into several excellent partnerships with NFT creators, so it's as good a place as any to mint your first NFT. Binance charges 0.005 BNB to mint an NFT on its platform, but the first 10 are free. Nifty Gateway is also good. Nifty Gateway was responsible for some of the most expensive early NFT sales. Beeple's Crossroads sold on Nifty Gateway for millions. The world's most expensive NFT also sold here for a cool $91.8 million. Many celebrity artists purchase their NFTs from here, so if you're working on a premium collection, Nifty might be a great place to launch it. Unlike other platforms, Nifty uses open editions. Essentially, it creates an unlimited number of variants for a brief period, retailing for a fixed price. Once the timer runs out, the creator cannot issue any more NFTs from that collection. This creates a sense of exclusivity amongst holders, which leads to higher sales. Creators can also receive payments in fiat currency. Nifty Gateway doesn't charge a minting fee for on-platform transactions. It also lists NFTs that are on sale on other platforms like Openc. Next, we have Async Art. Async Art only supports NFT creation on the Ethereum blockchain, and it focuses primarily on programmable art. Unlike conventional NFTs, NFTs on Async Art include layers. There's a separate master, which is the full NFT, while the layers are discrete elements that you can use to customize your NFT. Since this process tokenizes each layer, several artists can contribute to modify the master NFT. This is great for innovation and collaboration, but it does mean that you can't share such NFTs on conventional marketplaces. Async now offers blueprints, which are like collections on Openc. Anyone can mint an NFT for a base price until it reaches a maximum limit, after which the price varies based on market conditions. Async Art also supports gasless minting, allowing artists to create gasless autonomous art. It allows artists to specify rules for each layer, so other collaborators better understand the artist's vision at the time of minting. So, are there any other platforms to sell? Yes. But some of them are paid as well. But don't worry, they won't charge any big amount. Zora. Zora began as an invite-only NFT marketplace. However, it has since evolved into an open marketplace where makers, collectors, and artists may purchase and sell a variety of NFT categories such as art, music, and media. It functions as a media registry protocol, allowing artists to publish their works, earn money from sales, and allow other users to produce and share their work. The credo of Zora advocates for collaboration and the adoption of collective creation, in which the platform and its users collaborate to develop a more visible, accessible, and ownable infrastructure. Zora accomplishes this by giving creators more ownership rights and ensuring they are compensated for their work. You can set up everlasting bids, which allow other users to bid on your works in any currency. It also includes a zero-fee protocol, which means you will not be charged when listing and selling your NFTs on the site. Zora has a one-of-a-kind framework. Rather than selling copies of digital goods and creating artificial scarcity, it encourages producers to create one unique work that is freely accessible to other users. The token itself can be resold an unlimited number of times, and when the piece grows in popularity, collectors can purchase it directly from the artist. If you sell an NFT, you will receive a commission on each sale. If your token becomes more popular, you will have more opportunities to earn more money. Nifty Gateway. Nifty Gateway is a renowned NFT marketplace where digital artists and celebrities such as Beeple, Pack, Daniel Arsham, and Grimes have sold their works. Gemini, a regulated and safe crypto exchange, manages the site, which is regarded as a high-end marketplace because of its collaboration with well-known producers and companies. One feature that distinguishes Nifty Gateway is the ability for creators to get a share of secondary market sales. As a result, when someone buys your NFT, you'll get a cut of the sale. Furthermore, Nifty Gateway offers open editions, which allow creators to print an unlimited number of copies of their works for a limited time. Furthermore, Nifty Gateway makes selling NFTs easy for creators by managing all technical parts of NFT development and sale by giving technical assistance. If you are a collector, Nifty Gateway allows you to buy other NFTs with fiat currency. Nifty Gateway, unlike most NFT marketplaces, hosts the NFTs it acquires. This means that the NFTs you sell or buy is not kept in a wallet. Instead, they are saved in your Nifty account through Nifty Gateway and Gemini. Portion. Portion is an online marketplace that uses blockchain technology to link artists and collectors so that they can effortlessly trade, invest in, and own art and collectibles in total transparency. The artist community, a total network of decentralized artists and makers, is part of it. Anyone can become a collector using Portion. You can maintain both your actual and digital collections in one location, making it simple to exchange cryptocurrency for art and collectibles. Portion tokens are Ethereum blockchain ERC20 assets that exist to decentrally regulate and vote on the platform's future. New coins are issued for liquidity mining, artist grants, collaborations, and future team members. When artists create new NFTs, fresh Portion tokens are awarded, which are currently worth 500 PRT each. Engine Marketplace. Engine Marketplace is a platform for exploring and trading blockchain assets. It is the official platform for Engine-based NFTs. To date, it has permitted the spending of $43.8 million of Engine coin on digital assets totaling 2.1 billion NFTs. There have been 832.7 thousand trades. The Engine wallet allows you to conveniently list and purchase gaming products and collectibles. The projects page showcases Engine-powered blockchain projects ranging from game item collections such as the Multiverse and games such as Age of Rust and the Six Dragons to gamified reward programs such as Microsoft's Azure Heroes, community-created collectibles, and NFTs by companies such as Binance and Swissborg. Foundation. Foundation is a specialized platform that brings together digital innovators, crypto natives, and collectors to advance the culture. It refers to itself as the new creative economy. Its main focus is digital art. They announced an open call for creators to experiment with crypto and explore the concept of value in their first blog post on their website in August 2020. Creators were asked to hack, sabotage, and alter the value of creative work. When an NFT is traded on Foundation, the artist receives 10% of the secondary transaction value, i.e. an artist receives 10% of the sales value if a collector resells their work to someone else for a better price. So, this was all about this video. I hope you like the information given in the video. If you have anything on your mind, feel free to comment below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this. Also, hit the bell icon to get the notification of the latest updates on the channel. And thanks for watching.